If you love okra soup but want to skip the oil, this recipe is for you. Today I'm showing you my oilless okra soup, light, full of flavor, and perfect with banku fufu or even boiled yam. This version is full of rich Ghanaian flavor but without a single drop of oil. It's fresh, it's simple, and it's perfect for days when you want something clean but tasty. Now, without wasting much of your time, wear your apron and let's start cooking. Okay, so we're going to start with the okra. I'll place the pot on heat, then I'll add enough water to cover the bottom of the pot. Then I'll go in with my chopped okra or okro and also some blended okra as well. Moving forward, I'll go in with some chopped kontomire and also some chopped onions as well. I'll stir everything together very nicely, cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. So I want a light simmer so the okra softens but still keeps that fresh green color. Check from time to time and give it a stir once or twice to prevent sticking and to check the draw. So we are back after about 10 minutes. As you can see, the okra is beginning to release its natural mucilage and thicken slightly. That's what we want, and that's just perfect. As you can see, it's looking absolutely perfect. Now the okra is a little bit tough, so we're going to allow it to cook for extra 10 more minutes, and from there we're going to proceed to our next stage. Whilst that is going on, don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now our okra is doing absolutely perfect, and that's what we're looking for. Whilst we're setting the okra aside, let's steam our proteins. As I said, I'm using a mix of chicken, fresh beef, and cow skin. This combination gives flavor and lovely textures. Now place the meat in a clean pot. To that I'm going to blend some onions, garlic, and ginger, and I'll pour everything to the meat. You can also use any spice or any natural herbs of your choice and you are good to go. This will infuse the meat quickly. So next I'll add some pepper and carrots. The pepper for heat and the carrots for natural sweetness and color. Moving forward, I also go in with about quarter cup of tomato paste. You can also replace the tomato paste with some fresh tomatoes and you are good to go. Next we're going to add some aromat chicken seasoning and also some aromat shrimp seasoning to it to balance the taste for us perfectly. Now after that I'll also add salt carefully. Yes, always adjust everything to your taste. Okay, now it's time for us to add enough water to come maybe halfway up. For this recipe, I'm not focusing on jewelry okra. If you really want to achieve a very jewelry okra, make sure not to use too much tomatoes. It's very important. Or you can also omit the tomatoes totally. Now, after about 10 minutes of cooking the soup, this is what we have. Our vegetables are well steamed, and now it's time for us to take it out from the soup. We're going to allow it to cool down a little bit, then proceed to blend it. So next, before we add the blended ingredients to the soup, let's add in our fresh fish to the pot. Gentle nestle the fish into the bubbling soup so it cooks through without falling apart. Fresh fish brings a lovely sweet note and complete the flavor profile. So after adding, I also add in the rest of the blended aromatics. Now stir everything together very nicely. Cover and let everything cook together for a short while, about 4 to 5 minutes, until the fish is cooked and the sauce is well combined. Don't forget as well to adjust to your seasonings. It's very important. Now let's cover and let it do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. Now the soup is ready. As you can see, it's looking very mouth-watering. Now we bring in the okra we cooked at the start. Add the reserved okra to the main pot and stir very well. This is where the texture comes together. Stir gently but thoroughly to distribute the okra, fish and meat. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer so you don't overcook the fish or break down the okra too much. Taste again and make final seasoning adjustments. Once done, allow it to simmer on low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes and it should be ready. And from there, all that is left is for us to serve our oilless okra soup with a hot banku. You can also enjoy your okra soup with any swallow or any combo of your choice. Let me also know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. I love to read comments very much. Okay, thank you so much for staying with me up to this point. Stay safe, and until next time, keep cooking with love. Bye.